The air inside our homes can often be polluted than the air outside. But what are the sources of indoor air pollution? Let's take a look at them. One major source is cooking over open fires or using wood and charcoal. This releases harmful smoke and tiny particles into the air. Household products like air fresheners, cleaning chemicals, and insecticides also emit toxic fumes, contributing to poor indoor air quality. Other sources include candles, mosquito coils, dust, mold, and even poor ventilation, which traps pollutants inside the household. Exposure to indoor air pollution can cause respiratory problems, headaches, eye irritation, and even long-term health issues like asthma and heart disease, especially in children and the elderly. Childhood and late-onset asthma in adults are on the rise in Ghana. But there are solutions. Use clean cook stoves or gas, cleaner fuels. Ensure proper ventilation by opening windows and choose non-toxic cleaning products. Regularly cleaning dust and mold can also improve indoor air quality. By making minor changes, we can reduce indoor air pollution and create healthier homes for our families. Breathe easy, breathe clean.